skills, it depends. I mean, I'm okay. I can man the decks, I can like transition tracks and stuff. I cannot produce anything, but I can get up and play a little set.
How about you?
Non-existent. I think I could DJ a pretty good mean iPhone set in a car.
We're all great iPhone DJs.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
How about you? You must know.
I cannot DJ. I know how to like edit things together, like when I have a ton of time to make it all work. But I just love music and I like playing it. But yeah, I just got a record player. It's just nice to be able to put a record on and just step back and not have to make any decisions.
Why this movie, Zac?
Why not this movie? I'm super excited about it. I think it's relevant to our generation. I think people are really going to be pumped when they see it. There's nothing out there like this one.
And you, welcome back home. What's it like?
It's great to be back. Weather, just as I would expect it, so.
I've been showing Zac around your residence together.
We haven't had too much time to show each other around, but maybe next time.
Dream cast?
I mean, dream cast, dream movie, dream experience. I mean, the rain and everything. It's shaping up to be a dream premiere. I couldn't ask for more.
What's on your music then? What are you listening to?
What am I listening to right now? Everything that's on Max's playlist. A lot of the songs from our movie, some of them haven't come out yet, but they will be soon.
We talked to Simon Cowell. He says he regrets not getting you signed. Do you fancy working for Simon Cowell again?
Did he say that? Yeah. That's funny. I don't know if I believe it, but I mean, what was the question?
Do you regret not signing to Simon?
I think I'm enjoying acting. Yeah, and I'm glad I stuck with my decision.
These guys are paid that much money, overpaid, underpaid. They're paid that much money because people want to have the time of their life, which is what is promised. And a lot of people are more like, it's more about what the fans are willing to go through to see these guys. And this movie is more about the fans of electronic music than it is about the artists themselves. I couldn't write about being a famous DJ because I don't know what that experience is like. It's more about just becoming an artist.